How to buy three stock in cat token. So this token came under the symbol of tree in cat. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in Wilson crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 3 months ago and increased by 400% in last 24 hours. This token trending number 18 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your Fudge wallet for that. Now as you can see here, I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. So after that, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and place the token address in the search bar. So this is how to click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. To select the provider, click on price and click on provider, select the Jupiter for example, click on apply, now go back. As you can see, you can click here on swap to be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy tree and cat token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.